everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you're a Notion creator or someone who often collaborates with your clients and you want to share Notion pages, so you probably have encountered this frustration. When you want to share a page with someone, you accidentally expose the emails of everyone in the list. So in this case, I can see Jaceline's emails and Stephanie's email. So a lot of times this is probably no for you. That's why I found this solution using Arc Browser. So Arc Browser was initially released on Mac, but it's now on Windows as well. So it has a very unique way to kind of interpret how you can use browsers. But for today's topic, we're interested in their Boost feature, which is a feature that allows you to customize how you want your website to look like. So for example, maybe there's an ad here, you want to remove it, you can use this thing called Zap feature. You can see here they're showing it changing the color as well. So for our topic of interest today, what we want to do is that we just want to click share, and then we don't want to share the email address. You can just go to Zap and then select the email. Just make sure it's the email portion, click it, and then zap it, and that's it. It just disappeared. So every time you open your browser, next time you enter Notion, it will remain consistent because it remembers your setting. So yeah, I hope you find these little tips helpful, and we'll appreciate your support by subscribing. Thank you.